So I welcome you all in another video of Way to Pragmatic Life, a vision towards practical life. And I wish you all a very happy Chhath Puja with all the positivity. May this festival fills your life with positivity, success and glory. We worship God's Son on this very special day. We thank Him for fulfilling our lives with light. We thank Him for teaching us that light is not going to be there for all the time in our lives. There are going to be sad days. There are going to be days which are darkest. We have to deal with them with patience. We have to keep struggling. We have to keep working hard. We have to keep hustling in order to achieve those lightened days. Light is definitely going to come, as a day always comes after a night, but we have to deal the night, those darkest times, with patience, with hard work, with hustling. We have to keep working hard in order to achieve those lightened days. Let's take a pledge on this very positive festival that we are going to fill our lives with positivity, with light, and we are going to get successful in whatever field, for whatever we are working hard. We are going to achieve for whatever we are working hard. We are never going to leave our dreams. We are never going to compromise with our dreams. I agree that chasing dreams is quite difficult, but leaving dreams is not our cup of tea, is not our thing. Let me tell you one thing very clearly, that this life is a very precious gift from God. And if you are living your life with no meaning, you are waking up every morning with no meaning, no goals to achieve, then let me tell you one thing, that this festival itself is a sign of worshipping God's Son. He has the only purpose, He has this only purpose of lighting the people's life, of giving light to the life of every single human being on this entire world. If you are celebrating this festival, if you really want to worship God's Son, then you should have a meaning, you should have a goal in your life to achieve, you should have a meaningful life to live. Even if you will not succeed in your desired field, the people after you will say that at least this person has tried, at least this person has taken a step forward for his dreams. Unless like those who slept all of their lives, doing nothing, waking up with no goal, nothing to achieve. One day your life is going to flash back before your eyes. Make sure it is worth watching. A life without ups and downs is a straight line, which means you are living a meaningful life, which means you are not living life, which means you do not have any goal to live. Have that zeal in you to achieve for whatever you have wished. On this very positive festival, fill yourself with positivity, fill yourself with this zeal of achieving your dreams, fill yourself with this zeal of never letting your dreams to go away from you. Again, I wish you all a very happy Chhath Puja. May this festival fills your life with positivity, success and glory.